Okay, good morning students. Today we will discuss one application of the Laplace transform. Evaluation of integral using Laplace transform. We know that this is a complicated integral t into e raised to minus 3t into cos 2t dt. Here lower limit is 0 and upper limit is infinity. When we apply the Laplace transform technique, we can easily find the value. That is the concept we discuss here. To find the integral 0 to infinity t into e raised to minus 3t cos 2t dt, integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st t into cos 2t dt, where s is equal to 3. We first, this is the t into e raised to minus 3t cos 2t dt. Here e raised to minus 3t can be taken as e raised to minus st into t cos 2t, and when we put s is equal to 3, the result will be same, 0 to infinity t into e raised to minus 3t cos 2t. Then this is Laplace transform of t cos 2t. We know the result, Laplace transform of t cos 2t. But in this case, when we apply the Laplace transform technique, here we find the Laplace transform of t cos 2t. After finding Laplace transform of t cos 2t, put s is equal to 3, we get the result. After finding Laplace transform of t cos 2t, put s is equal to 3, we get the evaluation of the integral. That is the Laplace transform technique. Laplace transform of t cos 2t, we can use the multiplication by t raised to n. By using this result, first find out the L of cos 2t. L of cos 2t is equal to s by s square plus 4. This is known as f bar s. To find Laplace transform of t cos 2t, Laplace transform of t cos 2t, here s by s square plus 4, we apply the quotient rule. When we apply the quotient rule, s square plus 4 into 1 minus s into 2s divided by s square plus 4 the whole square. We apply the quotient rule, L of t cos 2t, s square plus 4 into 1 minus s into 2s divided by s square plus 4 the whole square. The multiplying by minus 1. Therefore, this is equal to minus s square plus 4 minus 2s square divided by s square plus 4 the whole square. That is minus s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 4 the whole square. Then we multiplying by minus, this will be s square minus 4 divided by s square plus 4 the whole square. Therefore, L of t cos 2t is equal to s square minus 4 by s square plus 4 the whole square. But we have to find out the value of Laplace transform of integral 0 to infinity t into e raised to minus 3t cos 2t dt. Here we put s is equal to 3. Therefore, 9 minus 4 divided by 9 plus 4 the whole square. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 divided by 9 plus 4, 13, 169. Therefore, the final answer will be 5 by 169. Therefore, we can easily evaluate the result, and the result will be a numerical value. That value will be 5 divided by 169. We use Laplace transform technique. From the definition of the Laplace transform, integral 0 to infinity t into e raised to minus 3t cos 2t. In here, we put s is equal to 3. We apply the definition of the standard definition of the Laplace transform. From the standard definition of the Laplace transform, we can write this as L of t cos 2t. L of t cos 2t, we can use the property L multiplication by t raised to n. Therefore, L of cos 2t is equal to s by s square plus 4. L of t cos 2t is equal to, apply the quotient rule, we get s square minus 4 by s square plus 4 whole square by multiplying. After multiplying by minus, Here the power of t is equal to 1. Therefore, derivative should be multiplied by minus 1. Therefore, s square minus 4 by s square plus 4 whole square. Finally, put s is equal to 3. We get 5 by 169. This is the answer. Then we can do next problem. This is the method. The next problem. Evaluate using the Laplace transform technique integral 0 to infinity t into e raised to minus 2t sin t dt. T into e raised to minus 2t sin t dt. Just similar to previous case, this can be written as integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st t sin t dt, where s is equal to 2. Here we taken as s is equal to 2. Therefore, when we put s is equal to 2, we get t into e raised to minus 2t sin t. This is the definition of the Laplace transform L of t sin t. Therefore, we find out the Laplace transform L of sin t. L of sin t is equal to 1 by s square plus 1. That this is known as f bar s. Then L of t sin t is equal to minus d by ds of 1 by s square plus 1. That is minus d by ds of s square plus 1 is equal to tan inverse s minus 1 tan inverse s. This is when we L of t sin t is equal to L of sin t is equal to 1 by s square plus 1, that is equal to f bar s L of t sin t. Therefore, differentiating d by ds of s square plus 1, d by ds of s square plus 1, d by ds of s square plus 1 whole raised to minus 1, that is minus 1 into s square plus 1 whole raised to minus 2 into 2s, that is 2s divided by s square plus 1 the whole square. Then Laplace transform of t sin t, the power of t is equal to 1. The power of t is equal to 1. Therefore, it should be multiplied by minus. Therefore, 2s divided by s square plus 1 the whole square. 2s divided by s square plus 1 the whole square, L of t sin t. Then finally, to find the net result 0 to infinity t into e raised to minus 2t sin t dt is equal to, we put s is equal to 2 into 2 divided by 2 raised to 4, 2 square 4 plus 1 25. Therefore, the final answer will be 4 by 25. Therefore, very easily we can evaluate the integral. The value will be a numerical value. That value will be 4 by 25. We apply the technique, Laplace transform technique. From the definition of the Laplace transform, integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st t sin t. When we put s is equal to 2, we get the required problem. Then find the Laplace transform of t sin t. Finally, we put s is equal to 2. We get the value 4 by 25. That is the result. The next problem, we can do one more problem. Therefore, Laplace transform of using Laplace transform technique, integral 0 to infinity sin at by t dt. Here we have to calculate this function. The sin at by t is the function. We have to evaluate this function. Here, integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sin at by t dt. Put s is equal to 0. When we put s is equal to 0, we get sin at by t. Therefore, this is the definition of the Laplace transform. From the definition of the Laplace transform, this is equal to sin at by t. L of sin at by t. Therefore, here first find out the Laplace transform of sin at. Laplace transform of sin at is equal to a by s square plus s square. This is known as f bar s. Then L of sin at by t. L of sin at by t is equal to integral s to infinity, integral s to infinity f bar s, integral s to infinity f bar s ds. That is integral s to infinity a by s square plus a square ds. That is a into 1 by a tan inverse s by a, s a to infinity. Apply the integral formula 1 by x square plus a square, a into 1 by a. Cancel a and cancel, therefore tan inverse infinity. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus tan inverse s by a. That is equal to cot inverse s by a. Cot inverse s by a. Then when we put s is equal to 0, therefore cot inverse 0, that is equal to value will be pi by 2. Therefore the answer will be pi by 2. Therefore we can easily evaluate the integral. The integral result will be pi by 2. This is the method. This is the one of the application of the Laplace transform. Okay, good. Thank you.